Hello students of 8th standard. I welcome you to the class of Prose 6th, the model millionaire. The present chapter makes us to understand about the rich and about the irony of the poor. So, before going for the explanation of the chapter, the model millionaire, I am going to read the lesson which you have to listen very carefully. So here different types of parts are coming in the chapter. So you may observe in page number 44. So the heading is here is given about the lover here. Hug Ruskin was a very good looking young man. He was liked and admired by both men and women. He never said an unkind word about any. But he was not very clever and never had any money. He was always changing his job and had tried everything. At one time, he had worked on the stock exchange, which had lasted for 6 months. He had been a tea merchant for a little longer than that, but soon got tired of selling tea. Then he tried selling sherry instead, but again he failed. At last he gave up trying to work and lived on £200 a year given to him by an old aunt. Now he was in love with a girl called Laura Merton, who was the daughter of a retired colonel. So you have to pronounce here Colonel as colonel, a daughter of a retired colonel. Laura loved him very much, and together they made a handsome couple. Of course, neither of them had any money. The colonel, although he liked Hug, would not allow them to get married. Come to me, my boy, when you have got £10,000 of your own, and we will see about it, he would say. Poor Hug was very miserable. So, in this chapter, that is the model millionaire, we come across in the beginning of the paragraph a young gentleman, good looking young man, whose name was Hug Ruskin. He was a very handsome young man, good looking young man, handsome young man. He was loved by both men and women because not only by his outer personality, by his inner personality also, he was very good. So, many of the people, both men and women, loved him very much. So, why people loved him very much? Because he was very kind man. He was very kind man. He never said an unkind word about anyone. He was always speaking good. But he was not very clever. He was not very clever. He was clever, but not very clever. And never had money. Means he was a handsome young man. He never said an unkind word about anyone. But it is very miserable to listen that he never had money. So, what this young man did, because he never had any money, no doubt he was doing hard work. But the main reason here is that he was always changing his job and tried everything. Always he was changing the jobs. What was he doing? One time he had worked on the stock exchange. How many days? Which had lasted for 6 months. What he did? In the beginning, he worked on the stock exchange market. How many? For nearly 6 months. What is stock exchange? Stock exchange is a market in which securities are bought and sold. So you have to remember the meaning of stock exchange here. You may underline in your textbook and note down the meaning. Stock exchange is a market in which securities are bought and sold, which had lasted for 6 months. But here also he did not get any of the profit. So what he did? He had been a tea merchant for a little longer than that, but soon got tired of selling tea. See, this Hugh Erskine, what he did? He said goodbye for the stock exchange market, and now what he did? He became a tea merchant. He started selling tea, and this business, it also did not stand for a longer time. He was soon tired of selling tea. By this we can understand that he was tired. He was not interested in being a tea merchant. So what he did? He tried selling sherries instead, but again he failed. So what he did? He started selling sherries. What you are observing here? He started selling sherries. So, but again he failed. And what happened? At last, what is sherry? Do you know? It's a kind of wine. Sherry is a kind of wine. He started selling sherry. See what he did in the beginning. Because he was very handsome. He was a handsome young man. He never had any money. So what this fellow did? He at first started his work in the stock exchange. He lived in the stock exchange for nearly 6 months. But he lost interest in that. He came out from the stock exchange market and he started selling the tea, where he became a tea merchant. And by selling tea, he was not interested in that. He soon got tired of selling tea and he said goodbye for this business. Later, what he did? Then he tried selling sherry, that is a kind of wine. He started doing this business, but again he failed here. In this way, whatever he was doing, no doubt he was doing hard work, but he was not constant on a particular work. He changed his work from time to time. He changed his work again and again. So what happened? He failed in all the business. At last, what he did? He gave up trying to work. So what he did? He, being a stock exchange, in a tea merchant, selling sherry, nothing helped him. So what he did? He gave up trying to work. He was upset and lived on 200 pounds. See here, he was very much bored because he did a number of business, but he did not get success here. So he was tired, he was upset. So what he did? He started living with an old aunt where he was working. So he gave up trying to work and lived on 200 pounds a year given to him by an old aunt. See, now he gave up all the work and he started living with an old aunt whom he helped her in her work. So that aunt yearly, not monthly, yearly she was giving 200 pounds, and this fellow, that is Hugh Erskine, started living with that old aunt. Now in this situation, though he was very good looking young man, he was handsome, but he did not had a penny in his pocket. What happened during this situation? Because he was young, he was near to the age of marrying. So he had come to that age. So he was in love with a girl called Laura Merton, who was a daughter of a retired colonel. Laura loved him very much, and together they made a handsome couple. Of course, neither of them had any money. The colonel, although he liked Hugh, would not allow them to get married. See, Laura Merton, he met Laura Merton. She was a very beautiful girl. And what happened? This Hugh Erskine started affair with the girl. He started love because he had attained the age of marriage. So, though he was earning only 200 pounds a year, he fell in love with a beautiful girl named Laura Merton. So, who was Laura Merton? She was the daughter of Colonel, retired Colonel. See, Colonel. Nel. It should be pronounced as Colonel. Laura Merton, she was the daughter of retired colonel, that is Colonel Merton. So, what father did? Father came to know about the affair because this girl, Laura, had attained the age of marriage. When both of them fell in love, this girl also loved for whom Hugh Erskine very much. And here you must have to know what is the meaning of colonel. Colonel here means, by the picture you can understand, a rank of officer in the army and in the US Air Force, above a lieutenant colonel and below brigadier. And brigadier means a rank of officer in the British Army. So this colonel, what happened when both of them, Laura Merton and Hugh Erskine, started loving one another? Laura liked Hugh Erskine. Hugh Erskine also loved Laura Merton. Both of them made a handsome couple. They want to get married. Of course, neither of them had the money. See, Hugh Erskine, though he was handsome, good looking, very less money he was earning because he was living by an old aunt who was giving him only 200 pounds a year. Laura Merton's father was a retired colonel, and father, he did not give her much money. So both of them were, she is beautiful, he is handsome, both of them loved one another, they had made a handsome couple. Of course, neither of them had any money. Neither Hugh Erskine had money, neither Laura Merton had money. So, what happened then? Of course, neither of them had any money. The colonel, although he liked Hugh, would allow them to get married. See, this father also, that is the retired colonel, that is Colonel Merton, he also liked Hugh Erskine because he was good enough, he was handsome, he was a good person, he was very kind hearted, but he was not very clever. That was the secondary point. But in him, humanity was there, good feelings were there, good thoughts were there. So this retired colonel, that is the father of Laura Merton, liked Hugh Erskine, but though he liked him, he did not allow them to get married. What he said, he told him, "Come to me, my boy, when you have got 10,000 pounds of your own. So, if you want to marry my daughter, that is Laura Merton, if you want to marry my daughter, Laura Merton, what you have to do? You have to come with 10,000 pounds of your own." Meaning of this sentence is that you have to earn 10,000 pounds, and with that your own amount. You should not borrow from others. No, you should not borrow the money from friends or from relatives, or you should not what you mean, you should not ask for anyone for help here. That 10,000 pounds must be of your own, that is, you must have to earn and you must have to come, and we will see about it. Then retired Colonel Merton says, "After you come to me with 10,000 pounds, what I am going to do? I am going to think about your marriage." Poor Hugh Erskine was very miserable. He was caught he was caught in such a situation that he can't leave Laura also, because he had fallen in love with her, and Laura also loved him, and the father of Laura Merton also liked Hugh Erskine because he was a very kind-hearted person. So, what's going to happen? Let us see in the next class. Before that, here I am giving you some important questions with the answers. You can copy down in your notebook. What sort of a man was Hugh Erskine? The answer here is Hugh Erskine was a very good looking young man. He was liked and admired by both men and women. He never said an unkind word about anyone, but he was not very clever in earning money. In the same way, followed by question number 1, I am giving you question number 2. What was the condition laid down for Hugh to marry Laura Merton? So, who laid the condition here? The father of Laura Merton, that is retired Colonel Merton. Okay. So, what was the condition laid down for Hugh to marry Laura Merton? Hugh was in love with a girl called Laura Merton, but Laura's father, that is retired colonel, laid down a condition for Hugh that he would have to earn 10,000 pounds of his own if he wanted to marry Laura Merton. So, in this way, this was the condition laid down for Hugh to marry Merton. So, with this, I am going to end the chapter Model Millionaire. Let us observe it. What is going to happen in the further class. Until then, thank you very much.